In this video, you'll learn how to change the tab name in Webflow. By following these steps, you'll be able to update your site's name effectively. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard, open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see a list of your projects displayed on the screen. Next, locate the site for which you want to change the tab name. Look for the 3 vertical dots icon, which is usually found next to the site name. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. After that, select the option labeled Settings from the drop-down menu. This action will take you to the settings page for your chosen site, where various configuration options will be displayed. Once this appears, navigate to the section labeled General. You can find this option in the left sidebar of the settings page. Clicking on General will allow you to access the main settings for your site. Now, look for the field labeled Name. This is where you will enter the new name for your site. Click on the text box next to Name to activate it, and then delete the existing name if necessary. Type in the new name of your site. Make sure it accurately reflects your branding and is easy to recognize. Once you have entered the new name, it is important to save your changes. Click on the button labeled Save located at the bottom of the settings page. This action will confirm your changes and update the tab name in Webflow. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your settings have been successfully saved. To finalize the process, click on the back button to return to the previous screen. This will bring you back to the main dashboard where you can see your updated site name. Finally, check if the name has changed by reviewing the list of your projects on the dashboard. Ensure that the new name is displayed correctly, confirming that your changes have been applied successfully.